Hello everybody and welcome to the week 1 module. If you have not completed the Getting Started module, make sure you do that first. It will help you understand all of the components of Canvas and the layout of my class. So again, this is the week 1 overview video. Here's the home page. You can go to modules or you can go to link to modules. Here's the Getting Started module, helpful resources. And here's the week 1 module. Here are the objectives and the outcomes. You can look at those. The week 1 checklist and overview video. The checklist is here. I'm going to show you this. You can open it in the window if you click on the magnifying glass, or you can make a copy of it, which I think you should. You can download it by clicking here. Here is the checklist. If you notice, it says reading assignments, writing assignments, homework assignments, quizzes, discussion board. Everything that's in the week 1 module is here. So I would make a copy of this, and then if you want to, as you go through the module itself, maybe you can write down this readings where these need to be. What's in a Name by Henry Louis. Patterns, this will be for a homework assignment, so maybe you'll write homework assignment. That's up to you. You don't need to, but this is just an overview of everything that is due. So I would make a copy if I were you. Next, I put in links here so you go back to the week 1 module. Takes you back. Last semester students had to always go to the module button here and then try to go back to the week 1 module. But now I've learned how to embed them so you don't have to do that extra step. So that was the checklist, and here there are no writing assignments this week. Homework assignments, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, there are 6 because I can't get this quiz here to work, so don't worry about it. But what you'll want to do is, okay, well, what do I need to do? Kevin gave me a checklist, but what do I need to do? Well, click on the individual assignments. Then I give you instructions on what you need to do before you take the quiz. So here, obviously, you're going to read pages 2 through 9 of the Patterns book. Then take the quiz. Let's go back to week 1 module. Let's look at the quizzes. There are 1, 2, 3. There are quite a few. But let's take, we choose the topic sentence. Quiz. Here are my instructions. I suggest that you do the following. I have 2 videos that I've made. Watch those and then take the quiz. The quizzes are not timed, so if you want to open the quizzes in another browser, that's fine, and watch the videos as you go along. That way you can read the questions and then find the answers. It's setting a good purpose, a good goal. Here, these quizzes aren't really to give you a bad grade. They're just to help you learn, and then you can move on and do better on the essays. Next, we have the discussion board. If you click on the discussion board, this is the overview, the prompt, the deadlines, the review of netiquette. Please make sure you're being proper when you're online. Remember, capital letters mean you're shouting. Sorry about my voice. I think I'm getting a cold or something. All right, here, this is the same video that I had in the Getting Started, but if you haven't watched it, go ahead, because it will explain this discussion board post or prompt in more detail, and also show you how to reply and get started in the discussion board. It's very important that, and again, I'm going to say this, if you do not do the icebreaker and put your initial post in the discussion board by Wednesday, June 21st, by midnight, 11:59 p.m., I will drop you on Thursday. There are no exceptions. I have, excuse me, 10 people on the wait list, and then I have 3 students who I've had before who did not pass, and they want to get back into the class. So, show up, do it by Wednesday, or you're out. Okay, everybody, let me give you a quick overview here. So, week 1 module, this is what you're going to cover. Homework assignments, notice that they're all due on Sunday. Quizzes, all due on Sunday. Discussion boards are the only thing that won't be on Sundays. The initial post on Wednesdays, reply to 2 other students by Friday, and then reply to 2 other students by Sunday for a total of 5 postings. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Remember, joinremind.com. If you haven't, that's the fastest way. Text me, and it's free. Excuse me, sorry about that. Thank you, and welcome.